Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Chevy Impala battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential battery acid. These initial steps ensure a safe and smooth battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your Impala's battery, which is typically found under the hood or sometimes in the trunk. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This prepares the battery for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Finally, connect the negative terminal last, making sure it is also tight and properly seated. This order is vital. You're almost done. Secure the new battery firmly with its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. For added protection and longevity, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent corrosion. Now, start your vehicle to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly and your Impala powers up smoothly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at an authorized recycling center. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.